And we're looking at some thunderstorm activity. It's moved out of the eastern end of Lake Ontario into the Thousand Islands region and into the southeastern corner of the province of Ontario, about to move into Quebec. And so we're seeing some of these thunderstorms right now, and this is the progression. Very fast moving. And let's take a look, first of all, at, we'll do a cross section here very quickly. Bring this up to speed. Let's cut this right across this area. And yeah, you can see tops almost running about 35 to 40,000 feet. So these are, healthy thunderstorms for this time of the year in spring, and they're moving along. They're very much jet stream driven. So uh, surface indices are not the major player here. These are translating eastward very quickly from older thunderstorms, what we call slant convection. And the tops are pretty healthy at this point in time. Take a little bit of a 3D look here and some of the tops. One thing of note, look how these things lean over. Very much slant convection. They're really, the winds aloft are screaming. And so there's a lot of good venting of the atmosphere, probably a little bit diffluent. And so there's good venting out of the upper part of the atmosphere, and these storms are carrying through. I still think they're going to fall apart as they get into Vermont, but kind of fun to watch and kind of an interesting look at them right here. You can see this one cell here is a little bit stronger. Let's take a look at the progression and each radar return. You can see how they developed, and a lot of times you can see how the tops bubble. And this is how we can kind of tell if things are increasing or decreasing. Let's go back to that. So you see that pulse upward there. So here it pulsed up, and that's carried through. So this is one of the stronger cells. This guy right here. It's got pretty good anvil look to it. And again, this is using Montague radar out of New York State. So if you're in the St. Lawrence River Valley, this is what's coming at you. Yeah, it does look like these will be tracking right into the Montreal area here. So let's take a look at live lightning. See the latest progression. This is probably the strongest cell here. Secondarily, what's moved to a little bit north of the Ottawa Valley now. And returns of about 149 in that square, 171. But these are definitely decreasing over time. And it'll be interesting to see if any of this holds together much past Montreal. That's it from here. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.